Hello students, welcome back to St. Thomas High School, Surat. I'm Inawani, your EVS teacher, would like to teach you EVS, our chapter 7, part 2, keeping healthy and clean. In this chapter, we are going to learn about how to keep the public place clean. Let me introduce you to this topic. What is public place? A public place is a place where people gather. For example, hospital, post office, park, bus stop, school, railway station, fire and police station. All these are public places where people gather in large number. These public places are used by many people every day and hence should be kept clean all the time. In the slide you can see the picture of a school is a place where thousands of people gather every day, so it should be kept clean. In the slide you can see some other public places are also shown. For example, bus stop, garden, railway station and carnival. All these places are where people often gather in large number. So what is our topic is how to keep these public places clean. So we have to follow some instruction. What we have to do? We must not spit in public places. Do not throw wrappers, use bottles or paper in public places. Always throw the waste in the dustbin. Do not scribble on the walls of the public buildings. When we go out, we should use public toilets to relieve ourselves and should not do in the open. This is the most important point, that we should always use the public toilet to relieve ourselves and do not do in the open. This spreads so many diseases. Here are some pictures which show that the things we should avoid or we should not do. The first shows that we should not spit on the road or anywhere outside our house. We must spit in the basin. The second picture shows the throwing wrapper on the road. The third picture shows that the children are writing, scribbling on the walls. It is wrong. Never do that. The fourth picture shows that we should use the public toilet. No, never do in the outside. Again, the second topic is importance of toilet. Clean toilets are essential to stay healthy. Toilets and bathroom at home must be cleaned regularly to keep them free from germs. Here two pictures are given, a clean and neat toilet and other that bathroom should be clean with it should be dry. After we use it, we should make it dry with the cloth. Again, some points are given to keep. What are the toilet habits? Proper toilet habit help us to stay healthy. What are proper toilet habits? Flush the toilet properly with water after every use. Whenever we use the toilet, we have to flush it. We should wash our hands with soap and water after using the toilet. Ensure that the taps are closed tightly to avoid wastage of water. It's our responsibility to keep our surrounding clean. All of us must help to keep our earth safe and healthy and make it a good place to live. Some pictures are shown in the slide. The child is using the toilet and he used the flush button. The second picture shows that you have to wash our hands with the soap thoroughly to after using the toilet. The third picture shows that there are so many of bacteria on the toilet seat. The fourth picture shows that we have to clean the bathroom and keep all the dust in the dustbin. And the fourth picture shows that we have to close the tap properly after using it. In this way, we have finished this small topic. I hope you have understood. Thank you.